big block 454 V8 engine. It has a Performer, Edelbrock Performer 2-0 intake manifold. There's the power steering pump, chrome water pump. Alternator is a Power Master alternator, chrome, and AC. Also has a Champion 3-core radiator, and then a CCI electric fan. Does very well in keeping this car cool, even idling and with the AC running. Keeps it cool. I have it set so that it'll turn on at 200, turn off at 190. Two coolant temperature sensors. One is for the Edelbrock fuel system, which is a E Street EFI2, and the other one's for the dashboard. So this, as I mentioned, this does have an Edelbrock EFI2 computerized throttle body injection. It has fuel sump, which provides the fuel. It also has an Edelbrock mechanical fuel pump. There, you can kind of get a peek at it. So it is an Edelbrock mechanical fuel pump, and it does have a 3/8 inch line connected directly, so you can see it down there. It is a steel fuel line, and it comes up and it feeds the Edelbrock fuel system, and it does have a gauge, it does have a filter, and then this fuel line, which is 58 psi, does have a fuel filter. It's quick connect, and then it goes to the carburetor. Okay, so it also has the Edelbrock ignition control system. So it's similar to the MSD, and it allows you to control the timing, which I'll show as the engine is running. And it is dressed up, as you can see. It's dressed up. So I'm going to start it up so you can see it running, show you the fuel pressure, which you'll see on here, oil pressure, and the coolant temperature. And when I turn the key, the fuel system does prime, so you'll probably hear that. So let's turn that on. So that's the temperature. So it is a full cold start. Okay, I'm not showing you the other parameters. Let's see if I can get it to focus. So the other one is, there's the PSI for the oil pressure, and the voltage, and then I'll show you the rest of the stuff. RPM. Okay, so I'll show you now. I'm going to start her up. Okay, start it right up. You see the RPMs. Let's show you the oil pressure, cold. You see, 55 psi, cold. And there's the voltage. There's the RPMs. Okay, and so that's the temperature, you see. So there. So we got the engine running. You see it starts right up. Show you the fuel pressure for the mechanical pump. There you go. Between 6 and 7, so 6.5 psi. And you can see the fuel in there, nice and clear, clean. And let's show the advanced tuning. Let's go to gauge displays, digital display. So there's the RPMs right there. You can see the vacuum, so it is a stock camshaft. There's the alternator, so you can see it's working very well. Fuel pressure for the AF5 system. You can see it bounces around, but it's set to 58 psi. There's the cooling temperature sensor. 13.9 is the air-fuel ratio for idle. Spark advance for idle is 21. See, it bounces around. And if you're into the injection, there's a pulse width. So that's pretty much the setup. You can see it running. So there she is, running, and it's hot. The only thing that is kind of messed up is that fan, but that's not included with the engine. You'd have to get your own fan, which you can use a regular, fan, but I would recommend an electric fan. Because it keeps it cooler. Big blocks tend to run really hot, and the electric fan does very well. There it is. And the fan is a bad bearing, so though it does work, it does that wobble. You can see even on that low of RPM, you got a steady idle. You can hear how it sounds. So there should be. So working very well. Absolutely nothing is wrong with the engine. I'm giving it up to go with a more modern engine. So it's priming. Let's see if we can get connected. Just wait till she connects. There she is. Connected. Let's try her up. beautiful. See, it doesn't stutter or anything. I'm gonna give it some throttle and try to film at the same time. Just look at the throttle. There you go, that's the throttle. Injection duty. That's the spark advance. And you can see it changes. Hear that idle nice and smooth. So we'll give it one more rev and then I'll shut it down. I don't have the radiator hooked up, so I don't want it to heat up too much. There you go. It runs really nice. I'm gonna shut her down now. There she goes. So there she is, 454, standalone. With another Brock system, runs beautiful. There she is.